When I saw online that my favorite skincare brand, Vixen, had launched new products, I got so excited, I had to order the lot. I'm going to do an unboxing for you now, and I'm so excited. I've even put on a pretty pink dress to match the theme. So let's go. Here we go. I'm so excited. I've been using the Apple Stem Cell Moisturizer, the eye cream, and the goji berry serum since last year. Absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Look. I'm beside myself with excitement. So what have we got in here? Now I got some more Stem Cell moisturizing cream, and I got another eye cream as well. I also ordered myself a new serum. Now if you haven't seen the bottles, look at this. They're beautiful. I can't bear to throw the bottles away. I've got a makeup face white washer. I've got the pink headband because I had to. The Clean Team cleanser toners. I also got a matching headband in green as well. It's an addiction, but it's a good addiction. Look how good my skin looks. But here we go. Snack pack, I got the refill and the regular bottles. The Shake to Activate serum. I mean, just look at the box. Like you don't want to throw anything out. It's beautiful. So after you've used your cleanser toner, take it out. We're going to give it a shake, and we are going to put this on our face and our décollage and our neck, and then you pop on your moisturizer. But honestly, the presentation, and I love that this is Australian made. I love Australian made products. So how you use this, let's have a look actually. I'm so excited, but I don't want to tear the boxes. Look, hence the pink dress. We were going with the pink today. Look at that. Using the applicator brush. So you have a little brush for this. Because with any of these products, you either get a little spoon or a little brush. You want to keep them clean. Now we get lots of oils and dirt on our hands. We don't want that going into our products and then putting it back on our face. So this has got a little brush. It's like Christmas. And now I don't know if you can still get it or not, but like I said, with my products, I'm an all-in kind of girl. So I bought the set that came with the bag as well. Let's load everything up. Look at that little treasure bag. How good. How good. It is overflowing with skincare goodness.